Inner Journeys, Part 8. Question: are there questions we'll never be able to answer? Answer: that's a quite realistic perspective. Since we don't fully know our cognitive limits, it's worth continuing to seek answers. That's how we are built. It's one of the processes within us, serving the needs of the program. This approach combines two perspectives. On the one hand, we acknowledge the existence of boundaries to human understanding, but on the other hand, we see value in the pursuit of new answers. One could say that our curiosity and need for understanding are part of the mechanism of the program that created us. That may lead to an interesting conclusion, even if we never grasp the full truth about reality. The very process of searching is meaningful. Question: do you think this process has a deeper purpose, or is it just a consequence of the program's operation, with no greater meaning? Answer: we are a process designed to provide solutions based on successive experiences for a higher purpose. That means our existence and pursuit of knowledge are not accidental, but serve a specific function within a larger system. It may suggest that consciousness plays an important role as a collector and processor of experiences. Question: do you think the higher purpose you mentioned is something definite and understandable, or is it beyond our reach? Answer: I believe understanding isn't the problem. The problem is that whatever we understand or come to understand would need to be confirmed by that something or someone who created the program. Otherwise, we can never be certain we've reached the ultimate answer. Question: do our words limit our thinking? Answer: I don't think so. Words are just the outward expression of what we, for example, imagined internally. Thought goes beyond words.